If anyone know, they will know that's a breadfruit tree. That's a breadfruit tree right there. You could tell by its leaves. Got big leaf. There you go. That's a breadfruit tree. Right? And whenever the breadfruit up there like that one, sometimes they fall off when they go ripe, or sometimes even when they're green, like these ones. Alright, that's when they fall off sometime like that. Or sometimes they fall off when they get like that. So that's a ripe breadfruit. But you know the strangest thing now, yeah? Alright, like this ripe breadfruit. Look who love it. These dogs. See? Sit. Wait. Wait. See? They love. Look. That's how much they love it. They're shaking. Do you want it? Want it? Yeah? Alright, and this one. Look at that. Wait. You want some of it, yeah? Alright? Okay, I'm gonna cut it in two. Yeah, you see? I want to show you that dogs, not dogs, but this dog love ripe breadfruit. Right? Molly. Sit. Sit. I said sit. Molly. Molly. You want it? Do you want it? You want it? Molly, come. Right, so how I do this now, guys? Wait. Sit. Wait. No. Wait. Wait. You gotta share, okay? Alright? We're gonna share this, so what I normally do is put it down like so and cut it in half. Wait. Alright, so let's cut this out in half with a shovel. Or maybe I could just break it in half. Where you going? Wait. Let me use my next one. Alright, let's break this in half and share it evenly. Wait. I said, wait. Alright, so that's how it look, guys, inside. Right? See? That's how it look inside. Right? The thing is, these dogs, they eat every fruit. They love fruits. Right? Look, you can't even stay still. Look. Wait. Sit and wait for this one. Look at this one now. Molly. You see? You can just taste it, ain't you? Huh? Lick your lips again. Molly. Do you want some? Look at, guys, look at the tail. Molly, do you want some? You gotta get it this. Alright, this one is yours, alright? Yeah? Cookie, I said wait. Alright, you wait. I'm gonna leave it here, so don't touch it, okay? Do not touch it. Wait. I said wait. Right. And this one is for you. But wait. 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 Said wait. Wait. Guys, who should I tell to go first? Should I let this one go first? Or this one go first? Alright, that's Cookie. Right? Her name is Cookie. There she is. Right, that's Cookie. Say hello, Cookie. Say hello. Right. Very smart dog. Really smart. And this one is Marley. This one is Marley, the loudmouth Marley. Always making noise. Right. Always making noise. Right, so who should I go first? Let's say okay. The only thing you need to say is Cookie, go. Wow, look at this, guys. That's how a dog eat breadfruit. No joke, look. Yeah. They love it. They love the stuff, guys. Look at this. Whoop! I'm not taking your breadfruit. Just want to see. Wow. Wow. They love it. They just love the stuff. Wow. Let's see what Marley's doing. Wow. Yo, he's eating everything. What? Guys, look. Not even an inch. It's done. I don't have no more. No more, yo. Look, she's looking for more. Cookie, come. Wow. Molly finished his one. Hey, what's happening? You finished it. Right. But the only thing, they don't eat the green one, only the ripe ones. When it's really ripe, that's when they tend to eat it. Okay? So guys, listen. I never known that dogs like breadfruit, but I don't think it's every dog, but I think these dogs like breadfruit. Cookie, come on, this way. Yeah. This is a breadfruit eating dog. It doesn't matter what I feed this dog, he still looks skinny. He could eat 10 breadfruit, he look the same. Right? I don't know. 10 breadfruit, he still look, you can still see his ribs. So he's not underfed, okay? He's just a ribsy dog, I guess. And this one, her name is Cookie. She loves her food. Right? Well, yeah. Oh, that's a little piece of breadfruit thing. I guess Cookie. Good. There you go. There you go. See? What I like about her is the color, right? She got a really unique color. What's up? Right. You love your breadfruit, ain't ya? Yeah? Come on. Come. I like the color in her. Like the brown and the black just faded. I love it. Right, the brown streak come here and go down on the front legs. And the fur, she just got some really thick fur. I don't think it's really good for this kind of weather, but it's really nice. Yeah. And the brown on the here, and I like the brown around here, and it's kind of faded around here as well, here also, and the back leg come down, it faded. Yeah, same brown. And Molly now, oh, what I like about Molly, just fully brown, really nice tan color, and it's you call it the chest, you got like a white chest, right? Like a white. No, wait. Oh, why are you so excited, man? Alright guys, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.